Hi, welcome to my video, Clickbank Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, and I will also unlock 5 easy steps to making money fast. All right, so now let me tell you what I'm going to cover in the video. I'm going to cover Clickbank marketing for beginners. I'm going to go from the start to the finish, and I will also talk about traffic. I will show you some neat traffic tricks, but in a moment, stick around. I have something free for you. I have a free 10-part series on Clickbank marketing for beginners. I believe you'll like it. I will show you that in a minute, all right? Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to show you my whole screen. I'm going to get off camera because it's not about me. This is for me to help you. Now, this video is for people that are starting off in affiliate marketing, and it just so happens that we're going to use Clickbank for our product. Does that make sense? Okay. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you are suggesting or referring someone's product and service, and if that someone buys that product and service, you will get paid a commission. What other companies other than Clickbank do affiliate marketing? Well, the biggest company probably in retail, which is Amazon, does affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why I would choose Clickbank over Amazon is it's really money, commission. Clickbank pays anywhere between 30, 40, 50, and sometimes 75% on a product being sold, where Amazon only pays about maybe 1, 2, 3% on a product being sold. For my time, start off with Clickbank, and if you're beginning, that's a great place to start. What I'm going to do now, I'm on Clickbank. This is their marketplace. The marketplace is where they sell products and services. If you want more details on how to register or sign up for Clickbank, just let me know and I have no problem creating a video for that. The first thing to do when marketing online as a beginner is you want to pick out a niche, not a product, but a niche. A niche is a market. Look at it as a market segment. And in this particular case, one of the 3 biggest market segments would be health, wealth, and relationship. That's the 3 biggest. But if you look at Clickbank here, and Clickbank sells mostly digital products. These are digital products, most of these. These are also, you can consider this niches or markets. And if you click on one, we're going to go to health and fitness. If you click on one, you see it's broken down even further, and we're going to call these sub-niches, and you can go even deeper. Now, the deeper you can go, the better it is. So what I'm going to pick my product. I'm going to pick dieting, and weight loss. I'm going to first of all sort the products, and I want to sort by gravity. Gravity tells you that there are people selling this particular product. It gives you some idea of what type of commissions were paid out following month. In this particular case, this has very high gravity, so it's a very competitive, but you know people are selling it. Now you can pick anything, one a little bit with some less competition, that is fine. But this has a gravity of 394. What you need to do after you pick a product, you need to look at the product, take a quick look at the product. This is a video. What I would suggest, if you picked a product and if it has a video, you want to listen to the complete video from start to finish. And while you're listening to it, and listen to it more than once if necessary, probably so. Listen to it one time, and then come back through with paper and pencil or paper and pen and listen to it again, and this time take notes. What you're writing down are the pain points about this particular product or anything else which you might need to know, and then you're writing down solutions. So on this particular product, because they have a video, and in that video when a person clicks on it, they see a young lady or a lady. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google. And I'm going to look up keto diet for women. It's a young lady on the front. That makes sense. Their search tells me, and I have a software on my browser called Keyword Everywhere. So what Google is telling me is that this term is searched 110 times per month. That's traffic. The people on this particular page, this is Google's first page, they are fighting or sharing that traffic. Now, the people on top here, this is an ad, so they're paying to be there. We are going to use free traffic. We're not going to pay. In fact, there are two types of traffic. There is free traffic and there is paid. All right, so we have a keyword and we have a niche, okay? So now, for the product, if we're going to promote this product, we're going to just press the promote. It's going to bring up a link. And then we're going to put our nickname. This is part of the registration part. And if you forget it, you can always go back in and do it. It's under settings. We're going to put our nickname. And in this particular case, I'm going to put YouTube. And I'll explain that reason in a second. And now this gives me the link. This is the link that I will promote. Maybe. So I want to copy that link. So we talked about a couple of things so far. We talked about a niche, we talked about a product, and we talked about some basic research. Let's talk about where the traffic is coming from, where the initial traffic is coming from. I'm choosing to use YouTube. Here's the reason why I chose YouTube. Number one, YouTube has over 2 billion logins per month on average, and most of those are adults, and most of those are in the US. A lot of those are high percentages in the US. So let me show you something. This is pretty interesting here. Now we're doing research. This is what I'm going to do. I'm in Google, right? And I told you that I want to use YouTube. Now remember, Google owns YouTube. But I searched this in Google. You're saying, Bill, you searched this in Google. Well, let's search the same thing in YouTube. Going to go to YouTube. It's youtube.com. And I'm going to put the search term in. And look at here, it gave me the exact same information that Google gave. One is owned by the other. I got this information from Keyword Everywhere. That's connected, that's a plugin on my browser. We're still doing research. Why are we here? We're here because we're going to make videos. So now we're going to do a little bit of intelligent spying. These are paid. Again, it says ad, so it's paid. Just going to skip by those. These are not paid. Do want to mention something. If you see a celebrity, skip it. Think of it as paid because they have something that we don't have. But keto diet, keto for women, this came up. This has 3.1 million searches in 1 year. Chances are, if we look at this, this is probably some celebrity. I bypass all those because we can't compete with those yet. But here, bread and butter. Lenny Vogel. She had 34,000 views in the last 2 years. If it was me, I will copy Lenny's link and I will come back and do research with that. In order to do that, you just click on it and copy the link. The link will be right up here, or you can just click copy and paste. I will pick out 5. This particular one have 415,000 in 1 year. What you are doing is that you're going to go pick out 5 top videos, whatever caught your eye first and foremost. Pick out 5 of the top videos. You want to do research on those videos or spying on those videos. What are you going to spy for? What you're going to do is listen to the presentation, listen to the pitch, write down the pain points, write down these solutions that they are providing in those videos. And also, or even more importantly, click on the video. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here. I'm not going to run the video for you. So when you click on the video, this is what you're going to be doing. You want to take notes on that video. You want to write down what you like, what you didn't like on all 5 of them. But more importantly, you want to check the titles. Take notes of the title. Take notes of the subtitle. You want to look at where they're putting their links. This is the correct way. Put the link on top. And you want to look at the comments. See what the people like about the video. See what they may not like about the video. And then you will make your video based upon your notes. When you make your videos, you're going to need a thumbnail. A thumbnail would be this. These are thumbnails. Or make a catchy thumbnail. You can go to a site called Canva. Go to Canva. That's free. And you can design all that yourself. Just put in YouTube and you can do your thumbnails. All right? So let me make sure I got everything. Oh, here's the most important thing. I showed you how to pick a product, number 1. I showed you how to pick a niche, number 2. I showed you how to make a video. Now, what you want to do is you got to make more than one video. You got to make more than one video. That's the long-term plan. If you look at any of these individuals, you will see that they have more than one video. Let me show you. Let's take the young lady here, Leanne. Excuse me, Leanne. I call it Lenny, Leanne. Let's take Leanne. She has 169,000 subscribers. If I click on Leanne's and go to her page, she's going to have more than one video. See? She has a lot of videos. The biggest lie, or the biggest, I'm not going to call it a lie, that's probably kind of harsh. But the biggest misconception that we have is that we can make one video, or we can write one article, or we can put up one website and be successful. That's not true. That is completely not true. The main thing here in being successful, I have listened in the last couple of months to a lot of guys that are 7-figure guys, a lot in different industries. They have one thing in common, and that's be consistent. As I said earlier, the main thing about making money with Clickbank, whether you're doing YouTube videos, whether you're posting links. Oh, with your link that you post, I do need to tell you, I forgot, I truly apologize. You cannot put an affiliate link on YouTube. You can't put it hardly anywhere. So there's a site called bit.ly.com. Bit.ly.com is also free. You can go in there and actually mask or hide your link, and like it'll be a bit.ly link. All right, let's go over everything. Let's tie everything together, and I promise you, if you do this, it works. Number 1, you pick a niche. Number 2, you actually pick a product to sell out of that niche. And number 3, you post videos. You make a video, but you do your research keyword, and you're using both Google and YouTube. And you pick out 5 videos in YouTube on your YouTube search. And you're going to play those videos and research those videos, and then you're going to create your own. When you create your own, I will be honest with you, your first one you may not, don't try to get it perfect. Don't try to get it perfect. A lot of times we try to get it perfect. I do the same thing. The main thing is the content in the video. You give good content, you will be rewarded. So you're going to put out videos. You want to put out a lot of videos. I want you to think about it this way. 6 months from now, it's going to be now. If you look back 6 months, This is 6 months from now. What if you had started 6 months ago putting out videos? What if you put out 2 videos a week? You would put out, see, it's all about numbers. I know I said, how to make money fast, but it's about numbers. So the faster you put those videos out, and it needs to be good content, the faster you put the videos out, then things will happen. Things will happen. So, oh, I forgot. I'm sorry, I almost forgot. I did promise you a free 10-part course. The free 10-part course is one video that will come out for the next 10 days. The videos are less than 10 minutes. It's covering certain things about affiliate Clickbank marketing, and it's totally free. So grab the free 10-part course. I will put a link below, and I will put a link on the screen. Now, if you like my video, please subscribe to the button below. Hit the subscribe button. I will be putting out more videos in the near future about affiliate Clickbank marketing. Also ring the bell so you'll be notified when those videos come out. And my next video will be about Clickbank affiliate marketing. All right. Thank you very much. Peace.